Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we will solve minimum number of steps to make two strings anagram problem. In this problem we are given two strings s and t. We have to make string t equal to string s. To solve this problem we will keep count of the characters in each string, then sum those count differences to a total sum, then divide the answer by 2. Start by creating an empty array of size 26 char count. Then we will declare an answer variable size with initial value 0. Then we will iterate over string s one by one, that is character by character. Anagram is nothing but rearrangement of characters with same count, but in our case the strings are anagram with the condition that the number of characters are different, or the characters themselves are completely different. Then we will increment count of that character one by one. Then we will iterate over the string t dot to char array. Now instead of incrementing the count of each character in string t, we will decrement the count of each character by 1 in the string t. String t. So we need to change answer variable to char count here. Again, char count t minus a minus. Now we have the difference of each character count in string s and string t. That is, let's take example 1 here. String s has 2 b's and 1 a, whereas string t has 2 a's and 1 b. So while iterating both the strings one by one, we are getting the difference of the characters, the common characters in each string. Then we will iterate over the count array int I, or let me do this val count char count and answer plus that. We are taking absolute value because there can be a case where a character is present in the string s but not in the string t. Same for the case when a character is present in string t but not in string s. Then we will return the answer divided by 2. We are dividing the answer by 2 because in our case we need to make changes in a single string, but we are comparing the difference of characters for both of the strings. That is, we are making both of the strings equal. Let's see if our solution passes the two base cases or not. Okay, these three base test cases have passed. Our solution is able to pass these three base test cases, and our solution has been accepted. And the runtime is good. You don't have to worry about runtime or memory consumption in Leetcode solutions. The time complexity of this solution is big O of n because we are linearly traversing the strings s, and the space complexity is also big O of n because we are creating an additional array to keep the count of each character.